Lesson 1. Pass the vegetables. Do you like to eat vegetables? Vegetables are good for you. They keep you strong. They keep you healthy. Eagles have good eyes. Do you want to have good eyes? Carrots are good for your eyes. Carrots have a lot of vitamin A. Vitamin A helps you see better. Red peppers are also good for your eyes. Hippos have healthy teeth. Do you want to have healthy teeth? Broccoli is good for your teeth. Broccoli has a lot of vitamin C. Vitamin C keeps your teeth strong. Tomatoes are good for your teeth too. Elephants have strong bones. Do you want to have strong bones? Spinach is good for your bones. Spinach has a lot of calcium. Calcium helps your bones stay healthy. Cabbage is also good for your bones. Garlic keeps your skin healthy. Beans keeps your muscles strong. Onions helps your blood stay clean. Eating vegetables every day is important. They help you stay strong. They help you stay healthy. Pass the vegetables, please.